Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. This week we're bringing you a less known but nonetheless delicious pastry called cream cheese buns with meringue filling. Let's begin. We'll start with preparing the dough. We'll need 200 grams of butter at room temperature and a quarter of a cup of sugar. And we'll cream the butter and sugar together in the stand mixer until it's melted. And now I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl and continue. Very nice. I'm going to add 2 egg yolks. 2 eggs separated. We'll use the whites for the meringue and the yolks for the pastry. That's enough. And now I'm going to add 200 grams of cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it all together just until combined. Now it's time to add 2.5 cups of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, which we're sifting into the bowl. Setting it all in. We're doing it on a very low speed. And now I'm going to lightly flour the surface and finish the kneading of the dough off the bottom. Transfer all the dough onto the water. This is such a great tool. It just scrapes every tiny bit of whatever you're trying to scrape. If you can, get one. Now, bringing the dough together. Very quick and very little handling of the dough. Work with the dough as quick as possible. We don't want to. The longer you do it, the tougher it gets. So just make sure everything is nice and smooth, but don't overdo it. Just going to give it a little sprinkle with the flour. And now I'm going to divide this piece of dough into equal portions. Now I'm giving this dough a rectangular shape whilst it's still soft, because now I'm going to transfer the dough, wrap it in a cling film and transfer it into the fridge for 40 minutes to firm up. The dough is nicely chilled now and it's time to prepare the meringue. We're going to use the 2 remaining egg whites. We'll first whisk them a little bit to give a little air into them before we add the sugar. That will do for just now. And I'm going to add 135 grams of icing sugar, just 1 tablespoon at a time. I find that icing sugar is the best sugar to make a perfect meringue. I would also suggest you sift the icing sugar before you use it, so there's no lumps and hard bits. And now we're going to roll out dough. Lightly flour the rolling pin as well and roll out a rectangle about 30 by 25 or thereabouts centimeters. Just go gently because the dough is chilled and it will crack if you push the rolling pin too hard. Just take gently. And now we're going to spread the first portion of the meringue all over the surface of the dough. The meringue is very smooth, nice and glossy, very easy to spread. So now we're going to roll up this pastry into a log. Now we're going to cut it into 10 slices, about an inch thick. And of course you have to leave some space between the buns because they will expand as they bake. It looks a little bit messy because it is, and the last two. And now both trays are going into the preheated to 190 degrees oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I suggest you put the rags on the lower and the middle part of the oven. If your oven bakes unevenly, you can check midway and maybe you need to rotate the trays and just swap the places. That's them out of the oven now. Looking absolutely gorgeous. Look, sugar roses, and we're going to transfer them onto a wire rack to cool down a bit. As you can see, they're very easily coming off the baking parchment. You don't need to butter it or anything. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven. Please subscribe. Until next time, bye!